I got some sad news. Your mother died. Don't worry, Dad. I'll bring her back to life. As a doctor, I know that's not possible. First, my teacher gave me an F. Second, I did something really bad. I punched him in the ear. That didn't work. Your mom's still dead on the bed. Your mom's still dead on the bed. Well, I've one more thing to say. Come down, that was just a trick. Her heart's beating like a drum. She's fully alive. She's fully alive. Like and subscribe if you love your parents.